Vectorworks 2022 takes plants to a new level by offering more control over your plant symbols through an updated plant style, while also improving BIM collaboration and site analysis. Achieve complete representations of installed plants with the new root ball settings. The added geometry and specified data for plant root balls provide the crucial information you need to complete your BIM for landscape workflow and better collaborate with consultants. The new additions to the plant object allow for both 2D and 3D representations of root balls and excavation zones. This provides cut and fill calculations for both the root ball and the excavation zone independently. This now offers you valuable insight into your site design like never before.